This video will explain what changes you can make to your Google Ads account settings and how to make those changes. You can make changes to your display language number format, and if you have admin access to a manager account, you can update the time zone for your account. Adjusting these settings won't change how people see your ads. Your display language is the language you see within Google Ads. By default, your Google Ads account will use the same language as your Google account. Sign in to your Google Ads account. Click Admin, then click Preferences. Click to expand the display language and number format section. Then click the display language drop-down menu and select a language. Click Save. Your number format changes how periods and commas are used when Google Ads displays a number. Here are some examples. Not every possible number format is available for every display language. Also, some display languages let you choose only one number format, so depending on your language, your number format might not be editable. Under the Display Language and Number Format section, click the Number Format drop-down menu and select the number format you'd like to use, by country. Keep in mind that only administrative users of a Google Ads Manager account can reset their time zone. This change can only be made once, so please choose your time zone carefully. If you don't have administrative access to a manager account and want to change your currency or time zone, you'll need to create a new account. To request a change to your time zone, contact us using this form: support.google.com/googleads/contact/timezonechange. You can see your time zone listed in the Preferences section. To set your time zone in a new account, create a new account, fill in your account info, and set your desired time zone on the billing page. For more information, go to the Google Ads Help Center.